Okay, here's a quick run through of um, a more OGL style text editor. So I'm here in JBlog CNC and I'm going to create a new part called Manual Override. New processing instruction. There's only one template in this clone and it's called Dan's Pizza. I'm just going to put some junk in here. Copy that. There's also one spec, dummy test spec, description, manual override, and we'll just put 50 there. So there's 3 processes in here. We could add another. If we click yes to nut allergy, we get ensure area is clear of nuts. That's all the same as it currently is in hams. But if we click edit instructions here, we will leave template mode where processes are generated from our selections. If we click edit, it all changes a little bit. Here you can add operations wherever. So that's between operations. You click this line and this little button appears, or before, or at the bottom. We'll go to after. You can add a process here. We can also add a paragraph, which is essentially another line or a subheading to an op, and we can also add variables just as we can in the templates, but this is done manually on a part basis. So let's add something in operation 1 and we'll see we've got an extra operation at the beginning. New operation, click to edit. So all we've got to do is, I'll tell you what, let's just put manual override in there. You'll see that the simulator updates immediately. If we revert to template, we lose our changes. That's for if we wanted to change our template slightly, we would lose our edited changes if we haven't already pressed save. So I'll hit save and we can go back and view that again, and you'll see that we're already in manual override here. We can't go back to templates, but templates are kind of irrelevant once we've started playing around with it. I'll just show you what the add variables will look like. So here we could say manual override. Oh, add variable. Or just say, temp degrees Celsius. And you see we've got that up there. Replace, save. There we go. The normal way of doing it, hopefully we can fix the templates later. I tell you what, I'll change this processing instruction. We'll just call this pedigree, as it will be just a derivative of the template. There, if we save that, we've got to put pedigree. We've got to put something in the description, otherwise it won't pass validation. 50, and see that if we save that and go back into view pedigree again, we still have the option to change our selections, and we still have the option to edit again. Sorry if that wasn't the clearest, but I didn't have a script for this.